Hi everybody and welcome back to the hard reset tutorial. In today's video I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix the issue that your device LG XBOOM 360 XO3 speaker is keeping disconnecting. So, at first try to charge your speaker up to 100% to the full battery level. Then check if your problem still occurs. If it does, you have to do a hard reset of your speaker. This might be the only fix. Try forgetting the speaker from your phone, disable Bluetooth in your phone, restarting your phone, and of course hard resetting your speaker. If the problem still occurs after a hard reset, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.